Okay, what I would like to show you today on page 50 is that those same rules that we did yesterday or this week apply to this. So our goal is I can solve multi-step inequalities. So I did not spell that right. We're not going to go back through the graphing part, but a lot of times you will be asked to graph once you get them solved. Okay, so let's look at this first one. First, you're going to do the distributive property on both sides. And so you would get 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 1 is 5. Like my keys are being noisy. Let me come over there. And then you have your less than sign. And then when you do the distributive property here, you get 2x minus 4. 2 times x is 2. 2 times negative 2 is a negative 4. Now, remember your goal. Get the variables on one side, your constants on the other. So I am first going to subtract 2x from both sides and get the coefficients and variables together. When I do that, I have 3x minus 5 is less than negative 4. Remember, you always look in front, so that's why that one's a negative 4. Now, I moved the moved the coefficients and the variables to the left, and so now I'm going to move the constants to the right. So I will add 5 to both sides, and then I get 3x is less than 1. Now it says 3 times x, so the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. When I do that, notice I'm dividing by a positive number, and so I don't have to switch the sign. So then my answer is x is less than 1/3. Let's do one more, and then I'm going to have you try actually, we'll do the harder one, and then I'll have you try this one on your own for me to check with your notebook check. So distributive property first. So 3x plus 1 plus x is less than 4x plus 20 minus 13. So that was distributive property. So 3 times x, 3 times 1, 4 times x, 4 times 5. Now I'm going to go through and combine like terms. On the left, I have 3x plus x, 4x, and I have my plus 1 still. And then I have my less than sign, and then 4x plus 20 minus 13 is 7. Well, from here, I'm going to get my constants together, or my coefficients together, so I'll subtract 4x from both sides. And then I'm going to get negative 1 is less than 7. You see how the variables left? They all canceled out, just like they do in those special equations. So this is a true statement, so therefore all numbers would work here. If negative 1 was greater than 7, if it said that, then this would be a false statement and it would have no solution. So I want you to try the second one and see how you do. If you want me to check it, I would love to. Let me know what you get.